First tonight, we're continuing our team coverage on the trial of Sean Grayson.
The former Sangamon County Sheriff's deputy is facing a first-degree murder charge and faces decades behind bars, for the killing of Springfield woman Sonia Massey in her home in July of last year.
WMED's Alex Berger is right outside of the Peoria County Courthouse as Day 5 is now wrapping up. Alex, what details can you provide for us about Day 5?
Thomas, Rebecca, good evening to you. I want to first talk about what's going on outside of the courthouse. As you can see behind me, the rally is supposed to wrap up here in a minute. This is the longest we've seen people out here thus far in the trial. We are seeing about 20 people out there. Today, inside the courthouse, a big part was a key witness they brought to the stand, Seth Stoughton, a law professor from Columbia, South Carolina, who specializes in police use of force. He was the sole witness today. He has testified in a few high-profile cases, including the trial of Derek Chauvin for the death of George Floyd. In the courtroom as well, Stoughton was mainly questioned by State's Attorney John Milhiser. Stoughton focused on how the incident and the decisions made by Grayson reflect national police policies, not Sangamon County-specific policies. The defense objected this, saying that the county-specific policies should be taken into account, but the judge overruled that. Stoughton explained how time is actually the most important tactical concept because it gives officers more time to calibrate their response. He says Grayson's actions were tactically unsound, including his threat to shoot Massey in the face, cutting in front of his partner, and closing the distance between himself and Massey. Body-worn camera footage was reviewed once again, this time side by side Grayson's footage next to his partner Dawson Farley's footage. Grayson doesn't turn his camera on until 12 minutes and 10 seconds into the video, actually, and one rally participant shares what she hopes comes out of this case.
I hope that not only does Sonia get justice and her family get justice, but it influences institutional changes.
Summary of today is that Stoughton argues that Grayson's actions are what ultimately led to the shooting death of Sonia Massey, and now if Grayson is convicted, he does face decades behind bars, and we will continue to bring updates on this case both on air and online at ciproud.com. Back to you.